The idea of Boohugger is to create products that are made out of natural bamboo instead of things that are worse. My whole career has been designing things, but I don't want to do it in a bad way. I don't want to have a negative environmental impact or social impact. So I chose bamboo, and I try to make as many nice things as I can out of it. Boohugger is what I call farm to table because it comes from our farm to your table. And it's home products that are functional and beautiful, but most importantly, they're completely natural.